Hi, my name is Steve with DC by Foot on this tutorial on how to reach the Pentagon for a Pentagon tour or to visit the National 9/11 Pentagon Memorial. Now, we recommend that you come by metro. If you're going to come by metro and you're going to go directly to the Pentagon tour or the memorial, we recommend going here. That's the Pentagon metro station. There's a blue line and yellow line. If you're there for the tour meets right here. It's self-explanatory. There are signs. You can't miss it. And if you want to come to the memorial, you would just walk outside the station and around. There's this road. It takes you around. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk maybe from the metro station. It's really easy. There are signs. And of course, again, this is our recommended method to go and visit. Now, some of you might take the metro to Pentagon City Mall, or what's officially called the Fashion Center at Pentagon City Mall. You might do this for two reasons. Maybe you have something earlier in the day that you're doing. A lot of people come to Arlington Cemetery. By the time they finish Arlington, 2 to 3 hours, they're famished and they want to get something to eat. Well, you can take the metro from Arlington, skip the Pentagon, and come to Pentagon City. You can have, there's a big food court inside you can eat, and then you'll just have to walk out. Now, if you're coming to the Pentagon Memorial, if you come to the Fashion Center, you can come out the front of the mall and then walk north on South Hayes Street to Army-Navy Drive, where you're going to make a left turn. This point here, 895 Army-Navy Drive, is where the parking lot for the Fashion Center is. So if you're driving to the Pentagon, whether it's for the tour or to visit the memorial, we recommend that you park here. This is the easiest way to go about it. I'm going to switch the screen, and here is an image. We're on Army-Navy Drive right now, and we're looking south. This is the shopping mall, Pentagon City. Here is the entrance to the parking garage. Here you have Macy's, and the front of the mall, if you take the metro to the mall, is on the other side of this building, on the other side here. And you'll just walk up that road and make a left on Army-Navy, and you'll come here. Now, if you park inside the parking garage, you're going to come out this little walkway here, and then you're going to follow the white stripe. There's a traffic light here. You're going to cross Army-Navy, and you're going to come to a parking lot. Now, this parking lot, this is Pentagon Parking. So this is for employees of the Pentagon and contractors and registered visitors. However, that's only on Monday and Friday. If you come on Saturday and Sunday, there's very high likelihood you'll be able to park for free in this lot. You'll notice here where I'm pointing, there is a tunnel entrance. I'll get a little closer. You can walk through the parking lot, tunnel entrance, and it says Pentagon Memorial. Here's a closer image. This Pentagon Memorial, it's a tunnel. You can see it goes down to the other end, and it leads to the Pentagon's main parking lot. Now, as you walk through that tunnel, you're going to come out. This is the view you're going to see. The Pentagon will be directly in front of you. Here you can see the exit to the tunnel. Now, if you use Google Maps, they're going to tell you, or the instructions will tell you to follow this road around. I recommend continue across this road and just walk all the way up to the Pentagon till you can't go anymore. That's going to take you to a road called North Rotary Road. So this little spot here, that's where the exit of the tunnel is. This is the Pentagon Parking. Like I mentioned, you can maybe park there on weekends. You're going to come through the tunnel, continue straight, make a left turn, and that takes you right to the Pentagon Memorial. And then when you're finished, you can just come back and go the opposite way or take the metro to depart. Now, if you're coming to the memorial first, or you're going to the tour, and then you want to go to the mall, don't recommend taking the metro again unless you're on a pass, because you're going to spend money to go there, and it's as quick or quicker to walk. That's up to you if you don't want to walk that distance, but it's about a 10-minute walk, and it's going to take you 10 minutes to get down into the metro, get on the train, and get out, but it certainly is convenient. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and take care.